What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Siacoin. I've been talking about this one being a sleeping giant for like 6 months, and I still believe it is. We're up about 6.4 on the day. We're sitting at 0.021. We're sitting at a market cap of 1.04 billion, 24-hour volume 138 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for free cashback in crypto, Spotify, Netflix, travel incentives. They've partnered with the UFC and the NBA. $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour chart for Siacoin. We broke out of this falling wedge, which I had posted in the Discord a few days back. So if you want to stay ahead of the game on these trading opportunities, definitely recommend signing up to the Discord. And we're on our way to our target at 0.021. So from our breakout here, currently the trade is up about 10%. We also have some larger patterns at play. We have a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders here. So here's your left shoulder, guys. Here's your head. And here's your right shoulder. We broke out and we fell under the neckline quickly, but we've broken out once again. So your target is all the way up. I can actually move this up a little bit at about 0.026. And if we kind of zoom out here, we have a much larger cup and handle pattern. So we can drop in our neckline for Siacoin right around here. You can see cup and handle, create your cup, create your handle. So you take your measurement from the bottom of the pattern to the neckline, and it will give you your breakout target. Let's move this over here. And that will take you all the way up to about 0.037. Now Siacoin is just getting started, in my opinion. On the daily, we've just had the bullish cross of the EMAs, which is a beautiful signal of continuation on the daily time frame. And my price predictions for the bull run for Siacoin is the 1.618 coming in at 24 cents, and possibly a blow off top all the way up to the 2 extension coming in at 53 cents for Sia. So from the current price for Siacoin, you're looking at a 10x gain up to the 1.618 and a possible 23x, 24x gain up to the 2 extension if we were to have a blow off top. So terrific time to get into Siacoin. Similar to a project like Storj or StorJ, the ticker symbol is STORJ. Similar to iCloud, guys, online storage is a massive market in my opinion, and I think Siacoin will do really, really well in the future and on this bull run. So those are my targets. In the short term, guys, if we were to see a little bit of roll over here, let me zoom in, open this up a little bit. I would watch the support of this neckline for Siacoin, which is coming in at about 0.020. You have your technical target, 2-1 falling wedge, this larger pattern, inverse head and shoulders at 269, and your much larger cup and handle all the way up at 0.037. So once we break that neckline, that's another little juicy trade opportunity of about 66%. I've gone long on quite a few coins with low leverage. Just a quick drink of juice here. And there's a lot of them that I'm planning to hold till future price targets, till their all-time highs or beyond, and just ride the wave. Because I cannot trade in and out with so many coins, so I've just put them on low leverage and I'm gonna let them ride. As in my opinion, the next couple months will be explosive for crypto. However, in the short term, guys, Bitcoin has broken out, as well as the Bitcoin dominance. So we may see the Bitcoin dominance trend a little bit higher here, which can affect the altcoins because more money is pouring into Bitcoin. So that's pretty much it for this one. Quick shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns. We're talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You really can't beat it. You can sign up to the Patreon. You can check me out on IG if you'd like to. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.